Well, here's a question for you today. Are you afraid to be looked at as someone who is great, someone who is prepared, and someone who is ready to hit the ground running on day one of the new job, of your new position, of your new paralegal career? Are you making an assumption that they will train you? That will not happen. They don't have time for that. So you have to achieve not perfection, but a level of familiarity with the duties that you will be performing. And so I want you to go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and I want you to look under Paralegal Resources Hub and hover over that and get the no charge playbook. Okay, it's the Paralegal Playbook, and I want you to go to the page that talks about paralegal duties. Look at all the other pages, of course, but go to the middle of a page and you'll see paralegal duties research. Learn how to do that research. Learn how to perform some of those duties, not all, but some of them. This is important so you can be perceived as something more than a beginner, so that you can possibly ask for more money than they're offering, but you have to give them a reason to do that. Okay, it's not because of your 2-year degree or a certificate. It's what you know how to do. And you can learn this. You can learn a lot of these duties before you walk in that door for the interview, before you send your cover letter and resume out. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, get that playbook, but look around the whole website. That's for beginners. That's for people like you who are looking to get into this career. Don't hesitate to do that. Look under all the tabs. Look under the courses tab, under Paralegal Inner Circle class. That all of it, every single thing is for beginners. So educate yourself, get up to speed, and then show your stuff. Show that you are willing to go the extra mile to get this job, because the other candidates are not doing this. Believe me. Your resume and cover letter will rise to the top of the pile when you show that you know how to perform some of the duties, not all. You're familiar with them. The other candidates are just banking on something else. But what the attorney needs is for you to know how to do some of the work from day one. So go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and look around to your heart's content. Sign up for that playbook, but also investigate the hub and watch the videos there and look at any other downloads for you, PDF downloads. It's all there to help you. Any questions, comments, let me know, and I will be glad to answer you. Have a great one.